In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to your Brevo email. It's a simple process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you're clear and confident in applying it to your email campaigns. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Brevo account and head over to the campaign section. This is where all your email campaigns reside, and it's the starting point for sending out any new email. If you're not already familiar with this section of Brevo, don't worry, it's pretty user-friendly with a clear layout to help you find what you need. Next, you'll want to create a new email campaign. If there's already an existing campaign you'd like to modify, you can edit that instead. When creating a new campaign, you get the opportunity to set its objectives and define its audience. But remember, our focus today is on hyperlinking text within your emails, so we won't go into the nitty-gritty of campaign creation. Now comes the fun part. Designing your email. Brevo offers a set of templates you can choose from, which can save you a lot of time if you don't want to start from scratch. These templates are fully customizable, meaning you can tweak them to fit your brand's voice and style, adding that personal touch that's so important in email marketing. Once you've selected your template or begun designing your email, you'll be working within Brevo's drag and drop editor. This tool allows for seamless adjustments to your email layout, and it's here where you'll drag a text block into your email body. This block is where we'll add the crucial hyperlink. With the text block in place, highlight the specific text you want to turn into a clickable link. Try to make your hyperlink compelling, something like "learn more here" or "get your discount." After highlighting the desired text, the next move is to click the link icon, which you'll find in the top menu. This action opens a small pop-up box waiting for your link. In this pop-up box, enter the complete URL of the web page you're linking to. Be sure it's correct, as a broken link could impact the effectiveness of your campaign. Once you're sure everything looks good, click Insert, and just like that, you've added a hyperlink to your email. Finally, before you finish, click the Preview and Test button located in the top right corner. This allows you to see exactly how your email will appear in your recipients' inboxes, and more importantly, test that your link works as intended. This step is crucial for troubleshooting and ensuring your email provides a seamless recipient experience. And there you have it, adding a link to your Brevo email in a few straightforward steps. With this skill, you're making your emails interactive and engaging, ultimately leading to better outcomes for your campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.